Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where automotive passion meets the latest innovations. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that has built its reputation over decades as one of the toughest, most luxurious, and most capable SUVs ever made. Meet the all-new 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser, a bold evolution of an icon that blends legendary reliability with cutting-edge technology and premium comfort. At first glance, the 2027 Land Cruiser makes a powerful statement. Its muscular body lines, massive front grille, aggressive LED headlights, and sculpted hood create an unmistakable road presence. The redesigned front bumper, wider fenders, and premium alloy wheels give the SUV a commanding stance whether it's parked in the city or climbing rocky mountain trails. Toyota has refined every detail, making the Land Cruiser look more modern while preserving the rugged character fans have loved for generations. The side profile highlights a longer wheelbase, improved aerodynamics, and a sleek roofline that enhances both style and efficiency. Strong character lines flow from front to rear, while durable skid plates, roof rails, and bold wheel arches remind everyone that this SUV is built for adventure. Around the back, stylish LED taillights, a redesigned tailgate, and a sporty rear bumper complete the premium appearance. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice that Toyota has elevated the cabin to a completely new level. Premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum trim create an atmosphere worthy of a luxury flagship SUV. Every surface feels refined, and every detail has been carefully crafted to maximize comfort and elegance. The dashboard features a large floating touchscreen infotainment system with crisp graphics and lightning-fast response times. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable driving information, while a premium JBL surround sound system delivers exceptional audio quality for every journey. Passengers enjoy spacious seating with generous legroom in all three rows. Heated and ventilated seats, multi-zone climate control, ambient LED lighting, and a panoramic sunroof create a relaxing environment whether you're commuting to work or heading out on a cross-country adventure. The cargo area is larger than before, making it perfect for camping gear, luggage, or family road trips. Under the hood, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser is expected to offer multiple powertrain options. The standard engine could be an advanced twin-turbocharged V6 producing impressive horsepower and torque while delivering smoother performance and improved fuel efficiency. Toyota may also introduce an upgraded hybrid version that combines powerful acceleration with lower emissions and better fuel economy. Power is delivered through a sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts quickly and smoothly. Toyota's legendary full-time four-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction on virtually any surface. Whether you're driving through snow, sand, mud, gravel, or steep mountain trails, the Land Cruiser is engineered to keep moving forward with confidence. The off-road capabilities remain one of the Land Cruiser's greatest strengths. Advanced terrain management systems automatically adjust throttle response, braking, and traction depending on the driving conditions. Crawl control helps maintain steady speed over difficult terrain, while multi-terrain select optimizes performance for different surfaces. Locking differentials, hill descent control, and increased ground clearance make even the toughest trails feel manageable. Despite its rugged nature, the Land Cruiser delivers an incredibly smooth driving experience on paved roads. An upgraded adaptive suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly while maintaining excellent stability during cornering. Improved steering response and reduced cabin noise make long-distance driving more enjoyable than ever before. Toyota has also packed the 2027 Land Cruiser with the latest safety technologies. The newest Toyota Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and driver attention monitoring. A 360-degree camera system provides excellent visibility when parking or navigating tight trails. Technology extends beyond safety. Over-the-air software updates keep the SUV current with the latest features, while a digital key allows owners to unlock and start the vehicle using their smartphone. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, cloud-based navigation, voice commands, and connected services make every journey smarter and more convenient. Toyota has also focused heavily on durability. The Land Cruiser continues to be engineered for extreme climates and demanding conditions. Its reinforced chassis, advanced suspension components, and proven reliability make it one of the most dependable SUVs available. Whether you're exploring remote deserts, snowy mountain passes, or crowded city streets, the Land Cruiser is designed to perform with confidence year after year. Fuel efficiency has also seen meaningful improvements thanks to lighter construction materials, enhanced aerodynamics, and more efficient powertrains. Drivers can expect lower running costs without sacrificing the capability that defines the Land Cruiser name. When it comes to competition, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser stands proudly alongside premium SUVs like the Range Rover, Lexus GX, Nissan Patrol, and Jeep Grand Wagoneer. However, the Land Cruiser distinguishes itself with its unmatched reputation for reliability, exceptional resale value, world-class off-road capability, and long-term durability. While official pricing has yet to be confirmed, industry expectations suggest the new Land Cruiser will remain competitively positioned within the premium SUV segment. Buyers will likely have multiple trim levels to choose from, offering everything from practical adventure-focused models to fully equipped luxury editions packed with premium features. The 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just another SUV. It's a symbol of strength, adventure, and engineering excellence. It combines rugged capability with luxury comfort, advanced technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability to create one of the most complete full-size SUVs